Hello everyone, this is DM2279. It is a 2000 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado TX Limited. This vehicle is good to go mechanically. We addressed whatever issues it had. Aesthetically, it looks really nice too. It's pearl white. Is it pearl or is it just normal white? I think it's just normal white. It's white, two-tone, looks awesome. It's got some new Falken tires on it. And I want to say these are Weds wheels. I don't remember, I haven't done the mod list yet, but really nice truck, really cool truck. If you guys have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. We'd love to send that, pictures or video over to you, whatever you'd like to see. Get a lot of questions about this mirror. This is actually like a rear view mirror, so you look at it in that mirror up front, you see this, and then it looks down and you can see how close you are to something. It doesn't really help when you have a big spare tire that sticks out further, but yeah. I love the factory window tint it has back there too. It's kind of like a little mirrored. Big rain visors. A little something right there, interesting. Anyways, we'll check out the interior next. Has the awesome 90s pattern styling, both with the floor mats and the seats. Factory sticker here explaining how to fold down the seats. Looks like we have some buttons over here as well. Rear heat, low and high, that's what those switches say over there. It's just kind of dark. And then it does have the third row seats. We'll go back and check those out. Is this? Okay, perfect. Not a whole lot of room to spare, but it works. Okay. Yeah, third row seats. This feels like jack tools, like tire iron and such. Has the third row floor mat as well. I would guess that the jack is in here. Yep, the jack is right there. Also access to your taillight wiring, this looks like. I may not be able to put this back on with one hand. There we are. Yeah, you can kind of see what I'm talking about, the mirror there. Shadows all in the way of everything. This has the 3RZ FE engine. It's a 2.7 liter gas. thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. If you would like to like this video, we would like that. And then if you would like to subscribe, you'll get notifications for every new car that we list on our website. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.